Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Newark. The local time is 3:36. We will be taxiing for the next few minutes, so we ask that you please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and all items stowed until we're safely parked at the gate and the seatbelt sign is off. Please be careful when opening overhead compartments, as items may have shifted during landing. And double check that seat back pocket and all areas around your seat to ensure you've collected all personal belongings. We are coming into gate C as in Charlie, number 131 today. If Newark is your final destination and you're picking up checked baggage, you can claim these at carousel number 4. Additionally, if you have connecting flights today and you checked a bag plane side, this will continue on to your final destination. If you are going out of other terminals today, in order to stay within security, you will have to take a shuttle bus. This is located at gate C as in Charlie number 71. So you'll have to go to the other side of the C terminal and catch the shuttle bus to the other terminals A and B. If you exit security, you will take the air train, but again, you'll have to re-clear security in your new terminal. So just be sure not to bypass security when you go over to 71. And double check the United app for connecting gate information, as gates are subject to change. You can also check the monitors in the terminal. And if you need any further assistance, a customer service representative will be happy to help. On behalf of United and our Star Alliance partners, it's been our pleasure to have you on board today. We truly appreciate your business and look forward to seeing you again soon on another United flight. Hope everyone has a safe holiday season.